Tape Solutions under the SECC Source for Emerging Creators and Channels.
Such a vibrant young photographers today, ready to capture through creativity their lens. Today isn't just about competition, it's about telling stories through photography, learning from professionals and celebrating the art of visual storytelling.
Welcoming our esteemed guest and jury on the dais, Dr. Karthik Jiragaru, professional photographer, visual storyteller, creative director, founder of JK Photo Factory with over 10 years of professional experience in photography, specialized in wildlife and nature photography, award-winning model and portfolio of shoots 70 plus, wedding photography 80 plus, and event photography. He leads a 10-member team and has mentored 23 young photographer, winner Tamron Japan Photo Competition Hyderabad, Best Photo Pondicherry University Photography Challenge. He also holds a PhD in Public Health from the University of Hyderabad.
Mr. Nomala Sri Vishnu Garu, cinematographer, photographer, visual artist, a creative professional with 8 years of experience in weddings, events, commercial shoots, documentaries, and brand visuals. Skilled in managing complete project workflows and post-production. He is proficient in Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, Capture One, experienced in both natural and studio lighting setups. He is currently pursuing his Bachelor of Fine Arts in Photography from Sri Venkateswara College of Fine Arts, Hyderabad.
Welcoming the school management, Mrs. Dhanalakshmi Harish Garu, Principal Golston High School and experienced educator with 18 years in science education. She is known for her engaging teaching methods, deep subject knowledge and unwavering commitment to student goal. She has mentored many teachers and inspired countless students, leaving a lasting impact on the school community. Now I invite the person behind all of us gathering here today, the visionary who continues to inspire and empower young talent across schools and communities.
Mr. B. Avin Garu, founder and director, Tape Solutions, a dynamic leader with over 14 years of experience as a technical guide, faculty member, sports trainer, career counselor, and advisory board member. He holds a diploma and BTech in civil engineering, BA in psychology and English literature, a PG diploma in food and nutrition, a diploma in elementary education, and a diploma in sports coaching. In addition, he is trained in biotherapy, sports science, event management, photography, video editing, cooking, and AI tools. Mr. Avin is a passionate advocate for social causes like Dhanustav and Joyride, and he actively monitors startups and young entrepreneurs.
Let us begin this creative journey with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. Now I welcome Anup sir and his team to perform a singing. स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं अथ स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् भारत भारतं हितप्रिय भारत भारतं अथ स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं सानिधपमगरे सनि निरञ्जन मानवता मानवता समता ममता नित्यनिरन्तरता मानवता मानवता समता ममता सारथि साथ मनोरथ का जो अनिवार्य नहीं था मता सारथि साथ मनोरथ का जो अनिवार्य नहीं था मता संकल्पाविजिताभिमतं संकल्पाविजिताभिमतं आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् अथ स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं अथ स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम् embodies the grace, strength and timeless beauty of this classical Indian dance form. Kumari Harshita, through 9 years of rigorous training and deep devotion, has mastered the intricate expressions Abhinaya, rhythmic footwork, metta and storytelling aspects of Bharatanatyam. With each performance, she not only showcases technical brilliance but also connects with the soul of the audience, bringing ancient stories and divine emotions to life. She has performed on many prestigious platforms, earning admiration for preserving tradition while infusing it with personal artistic expression. Today we are privileged to witness this art of Bharatanatyam through the defined talent of Kumari Harshita. Please join me in welcoming Harshita to the stage.
कृपासमुद्रं सुमुखं त्रिनेत्रं जटाधरं पार्वती शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो भो 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 शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो गङ्गाधर शङ्कर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक गङ्गाधर शङ्कर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक गङ्गाधर शङ्कर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूप निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपंच रहित निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपंच रहित निज पुर निहित निदान्तरनाद निज पुर निहित निदान्तरनाद निज पुर निहित निदान्तरनाद आनन्द अतिशय अक्षयलिङ्ग निज पुर निहित निदान्तरनाद आनन्द अतिशय अक्षयलिङ्ग आनन्द अतिशय अक्षयलिङ्ग भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो
performance. Let's give her a round of applause.
Good morning, parents, and good morning, my dear students. And I welcome today's chief guest, Dr. Karthik Jiragaru and Namula Sri Vishnu Garu. Please come on to our, we are very happy to welcome to our school, sir. And I would like to invite our chairman, ma'am, Mrs. Savitri Singh Garu. Okay. Dear all, you all know that today's program is Battle of right? So it is very simple. You all think it is very simple? Yes? Yes, it sounds simple, but it is not simple. See, one thing we need to understand, everyone, you, me, everyone have one or the other hidden talent in us, right? The only thing we need is right place and right platform to exhibit, isn't it? And we all have a wings. You all know that? We all have a wings. Only thing is we need to fly. Right? So today is a day, spread your wings and give life to your imagination. You know, photography is one of the fine art. You can give life to anything. If there is a small stone, you can give a life to that. And the pictures speak so many stories. You know, in our social books or any kind of language books, we have a picture, right? By seeing the picture itself, we can understand what we are going to learn from the particular chapter. Isn't it, children? So photography is one of the fine art. So this is a day to give life to your imagination. I wish all the children all the very best. Give wings to your imagination. Just fly how much high you could. And thank you. I welcome you all once again to this wonderful program.
Yes, children, I would like to tell some of the guidelines for your program now. What is the program, children? Children, your program, children? Battle of Flips, okay? So we have two eligibility categories over here, children. Yes, ma'am. One is the primary one and one for the secondary one. The primary category we start from 1st to 5th class and the second category from 6th to 10th class, children. Yes, ma'am. The duration of the program will be for 40 minutes, in which you are going to take photos in just 30 minutes and 10 minutes time will be given for uploading your photos. Am I clear, children? 40 minutes duration, in which 30 minutes time will be given for your photography and only 10 minutes duration for your uploading. You should be doing this in this time only, children. Yes, children. Children, and editing rules, children. Only basic editing should be done. Yes, ma'am. Like you can use your brightness, contrast, and your cropping. No other editing should be done, children. No filters, heavy editing, and no AI generated technology should be used in this. And judging will be done on the basis of your creativity and originality, relevance of the team, and composition and the visual appeal. Yes, ma'am. Storytelling. The image which you are telling should be have some story in it. Okay. And there should be proper behavior and non-cooperation with the organizer or the jury. You will be disqualified. And then no damage should be done for your school property, children. Yes, ma'am. I request the sir to announce the theme now.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you are so eager to start the event. It's already 11 o'clock. So we'll end up by 11:30. I guess most of you have registered and few are left off. You can do that. And form two lines such that you can be divided into two groups. The coordinators will help you how to and where to do the event, okay? The two groups will be divided and two areas will be allotted. The elderly group will go to the sports arena and the kids will be capturing the photos here itself. And theme for the kids first to fifth class would be nature. You can capture the flowers and all kind of things. Okay, trees, leaves, different formats of flowers or something. And coming to the elderly people, it would be objects in the nature. That can be buildings, cars, or pebbles, humans, or anything like that. Okay. I request all the participants to make 2 lines at the back. Participants, make it quick. Take your phones and gather in a line. Yeah, 1 to 5, 1 line, and 6 to 9, 1 line. Parents, please put the phone in flight mode such that there won't be any disturbances.
Go friends, more. Sit down like me. Do pulling like me.
ఇప్పుడు అయిపోయింది 10 నిమిషాలు అయింది. పైన హెచ్డి అనమాట హెచ్డి ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది అది హెచ్డి క్వాలిటీ పెట్టి స్క్రీన్ వస్తాం ఓకేనా పైకి ఫస్ట్ ఇది చేసి పైకి మళ్ళీ చూస్ చేసుకో పైన చెప్పి నేను స్టార్టింగ్ అరే పంపేటప్పుడు 10 కాదు 5 మనకి డిస్క్వాలిఫై చేస్తుంది
ఇది నీకు నచ్చింది సెలెక్ట్ చేయి
ఆల్రెడీ పంపించాక తించి
I request chief guest and come on to the dais. They are to be seated. Dr. Karthik Jira to address participants.
Hello. Okay. So first of all, thanks to it's like it's a very beautiful event. Like when we are children, we don't know about photography or even not even phones and cameras. But happy to see you all like with such a beautiful parents. First of all, like I'm just happy to see all the parents like encouraging all their children to encourage these kind of, because most of the time most of the parents like they most of the times they encourage about academics and all, but so this is different thing for the children's. So I will announce the okay. So next, like Vishnu, you speak about
Mr. Nomala Sri Vishnu to share his experience and insights.
Hello, children. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Fine. Thank you, Avinu, for Temp Solutions for this inter-school competition, photography competition. చాలా బాగుంది. చిన్నవాళ్ళు ఇంకా చిన్నపిల్లలు ఉన్నారు. ఫోటోగ్రఫీ మీద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్నారు. వినిపించట్లేదా? వినిపిస్తుందా ఇప్పుడు? ఓకేనా? కొంచెం ముందుగా ఉంటే ఇంకా అనిపించింది. ఎండగొడుతుంది. ఓకే, చలో. అందరూ ఫోటోగ్రఫీ చేశారు అండ్ కొంతమంది ఇట్లా చేతిలో స్నాప్స్ తీశారు. చేతిలో పూలు పట్టుకొని స్నాప్స్ తీశారు కొంతమంది. స్నాప్స్ పెట్టడం అలవాటు అయింది చిన్నపిల్లలకి కాబట్టి, సో అలా తీశారు. సో ఫోటోగ్రఫీ అనేది ఒక ఆర్ట్. నార్మల్గా ఫొటోస్ తీయడం అనేది ఎవరైనా ఫొటోస్ తీస్తారు, కానీ ఫోటోగ్రఫీ అనేది ఆర్ట్ లాగా చూపించేదే ఫోటోగ్రఫీ. అందరూ ఆలోచించి ఫొటోస్ తీయాలని అంటారు. నార్మల్గా కెమెరా పట్టుకొని ఫోన్ పట్టుకొని ఫొటోస్ తీస్తే ఫోటోగ్రఫీ వచ్చేసింది. అది కాదు. వాట్ యు ఫీల్, మీరు ఏం ఫీల్ అవుతారో అది మీ ఫోన్ త్రోగా చూపించాల్సింది ఫోటోగ్రఫీ. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్స్? ఓకేనా? వినిపిస్తుందా? ఓకేనా? సో థ్యాంక్ యూ అవినన్న, థ్యాంక్ యూ టేప్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఫర్ హ్యావింగ్ అస్.
సో ఇందాక మేము మొత్తం అందరు పంపించారు, చాలా బాగా తీశారు, చాలా ఓపికగా తీశారు. బట్ అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం చిన్న చిన్న మిస్టేక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మిస్టేక్స్ ఉండటం వల్ల ఒకళ్ళు ముందు ఉంటారు, ఒకళ్ళు వెనుకుంటారు. థింగ్ ఏంటంటే ఈ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత కానీ ముందు కానీ మీ అందరికి ఒక 5 to 10 minutes మీ ఫోన్తో మీరు ఫీల్ అయిన దాన్ని ఇంకా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఎలా తీయాలనేది మేమిద్దరం తీసుకెళ్ళి కానీ లేదంటే ఇక్కడే ఉండి కానీ డెమాన్స్ట్రేట్ చేసి చూపిస్తాం, మీరు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే. థ్యాంక్ యూ నవీన్.
Thank you. A heartful round of applause for their valuable presence.
Before we move on to announcing today's winners, we take a moment to honor those who made this event possible. We invite the teams of Tape Solutions and school management to present a token of appreciation to Dr. Karthik Jira for his contribution as jury and mentor. Mr. Nomula Sri Vishnu for his inspiring creativity through his guidance and his contribution as jury and mentor. We invite the team of Tape Solutions to present a token of appreciation to Mrs. Dhanlakshmi Harish for her support, gracious hospitality and providing us with a wonderful venue. We invite the team of Tape Solutions, school management and guests to present a token of appreciation to the coordinators of the event. From faculty, Ms. Yogeshwari ma'am and Pavani ma'am. Kunal sir, Mr. Kunal sir. Mr. Anup sir. Anup sir. Miss B. Aruna ma'am. Miss Harshita. Miss Harshita Harish. A special token of appreciation to Harshita. From singing group Sarika. Sarika, Rudrapavan, G. Advik, L. Mahanvit, L. Arjun, Ruchita, Maria, Ditya, Harshita. P. Yashwant, A. Rishikesh Bhatt, M. Harini, K. Sahiti.
Krish.
Give them a round of applause for this.
And thank you the two hosts for the day,
Nishika.
Nishika and Ritesh. Please come out to the dance.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Yeah.
Round of huge round of applause, guys.
Very good.
I request guests to honor the winners. Category A, classes 1 to 5. Third prize goes to Ditya from 5th class. A heartful round of applause for their valuable presence. Sahasra from 4th class.
That's
A heartful round of applause for their valuable presence. First place goes to B. Anvi Gaud from 4th class. Let's a heartful round of applause for their valuable presence. prize goes to Deep Pratap from class 9, St. James High School. Give a big round of applause to the winners and participants. P.A. Shon from class 9. Give a big round of applause to the winners. Let's give a big round of applause to the winners. Let's give a big round of applause to all the winners and participants. All the winners to come on the dais. Ditya, Sahasra, Anvi Gaud, Deep Pratap, Ishwan, Anush.
The guests who have come down from so long, sparing their time and addressing the gathering and supporting the kids and also mentoring and judging the photographs taken by the kids and also the kids and parents, especially the parents. The parents have taken a lot of time to come down and get the kids here. I appreciate them from deep of my heart. Thank you. And all the coordinators and the students who have participated. Thank you and congratulations. I request everybody to please stand for national anthem. Thank you guys for staying so long. You can collect the participation certificates from the registration desk. Thank you.
అందరూ వచ్చేసారు
కనిపిస్తలే వెనకాల
Thank you guys.